How to delete sold items on Mercari website or on your Mercari store, just on your PC or on your mobile phone also. To do this thing, I will show you some of the genuine steps written on the notepad of my computer here. First of all, I will show you your account and then you have to click on it. You simply have to log into your account and after that, follow the steps I'm showing you. Deleting sold items on Mercari is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. First step is cancel the sale. Communication is key. Send a message to the buyer to let them know you're canceling the order. And from the bottom of the order status page, tap refund buyer. Now you have to confirm the cancellation and the buyer will be refunded back to their original payment method. Then delete active listings. Before closing your account, delete all active listing. Then ensure no more sales are made of and purchased from your account. Now, log into your Mercari account and then enter your username and password to access to your account now. Then you have to navigate to My Page once you have logged in to the Mercari website. After that, you simply have to delete your account. In My Page section, find the option to delete Mercari account and follow the prompts to complete the account deletion process. This is how you can simply delete it. Thank you so much for watching the video.